Welcome to the brand new Tech.Inc video. The best place to find the latest tech gadgets, news and trends.
Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button and click on the notification bell. From the turn of 20th century, the automobile has shaped the man-made world and profoundly enriched the way we live. It shifted our perception of time and space. Days and weeks on foot or horseback became hours on the road. The miracle of the flight further amplified our ability to reach further and faster than ever before. And now, mobility has reached at the stage, way beyond our imagination. Let's check it. Number 1. Electric vehicles. By 2050, cars will be fully autonomous and electric, with advanced customization technologies. There will be vehicle which raises comfort and luxury to a new level by offering a maximum of space and a lounge character on the inside. These cars will have continuous exchange of information between vehicle, passengers, and the outside world. Passengers will be able to interact intuitively with the connected vehicle by means of gestures or by touching the high-resolution screens. These autonomous car will connect to its surrounding, both visually and acoustically. It will have communication-oriented seating, by featuring chairs in a face-to-face arrangement. With the help of intelligent parking garage infrastructure, and its networking with vehicles, driverless parking will be possible. The technology in the car reliably converts the commands from the parking garage infrastructure into driving maneuvers, and stops the vehicle in good time, if necessary. Number 2. Electric cars, for mobility on demand. Advanced mobility technology will be used to better serve the customers 24/7. To reduce congestion on roads, ride-sharing will be fostered. Future vehicles, used for delivery services, will automate the process between distribution centers and the final destination, using right size and right place mobile solutions. They can offer bright future for mobility services and mobility commerce. Number 3. Autonomous, AI-featured cars. Future cars will have inbuilt AI feature, which can be true friend. It can incredibly understand all the emotions of driver. So, it can automatically play rider's favorite music to elevate his mood. Riders can program their cars to make money. Number 4. Robotic Taxi. Using these robotic taxi vehicle, owners can specify times of day where they want their car to join the network. Enabling them to be used when the owner doesn't need it. The owners can then earn money from their cars during the day. These taxis will use sensor, AI, and mapping technologies to avoid any clashes and offer seamless mobility in the near future. These self-driving vehicle will use 5G technology to avoid collision with adjacent vehicles and ensure safety of pedestrians. Future autonomous travels can also help to eliminate the stress that lurks between A and B, and can help to live your life on the move. These future cars will have sensors embedded on both the sides of the car to keep a watchful eye 360 degrees around the body. This all-encapsulating sensing technology might bring peace of mind to those riding the car. Number 5. Autonomous, connected, self-driving cars. All the future cars will be 100% self-driving, and lot more safer than human driving. Getting in the car will be like getting in the elevator and pushing the button. In the self-driving city, the future cars will be talking to each other, leading to the concept of vehicle-to-vehicle communication. It is just like how ants work together. These autonomous vehicles will be able to communicate with the other vehicles on the road to inform about any hassle, like breakdown. If one vehicle needs to brake suddenly, it will inform the behind vehicles, allowing for faster reaction times. These vehicles will be also communicating with the roads and the city itself. When all cars are self-driving, there won't be need for physical traffic lights and signs. This will be all done by digital markers, communicating wirelessly. Number 6. Self-driven bicycles. There are already self-driving scooters, bicycles, and garbage trucks riding today. By using app, you can call the autonomous bicycle that changes to two-wheeler from the three-wheeler after reaching at the rider's location. When the rider is done, it automatically goes back to the charging station. Number 7. Solar electric cars. Electric cars may also have solar panels for charging. Number 8. Air mobility vehicles. In the future, urban air mobility will be used to cover distance in short time. It will have personal air vehicle and urban air mobility services to make airspace available for transportation. These vehicles will meet at home. Hubs will be installed across future cities to form a mobility ecosystem, providing customers seamless mobility and a differentiated mobility experience. Number 9. Flying cars. To combat the congestion issues In the high-density urban areas, flying cars will be used. They will run on electrons, and will be capable to fly across countries. In developed countries, flying cars are expected to be used as a means of transportation, to ease traffic jams, and respond in times of disaster. While in developing countries, they are likely to be used as a form of transportation that requires far less infrastructure. Number 10. Electric three-wheelers. You may also expect roads full of fancy creations, like self-balancing three-wheelers. You'll be amazed to see fun utility cars to make mobility a lot more fun for everyone. These can be more sustainable transportations to make meaningful impact on climate change emissions. Number 11. Electric self-driving buses. Public transportation will also mark changes. Self-driving autonomous electric buses will be used that can carry up to 15 people. There will be vehicles where chassis and bodies can be swapped out at any time. There will be autonomous vehicles that swarm out and bring their goods to the customer without detours and just in time. It can be faster or more simple, or even refrigerated or heated. It might have robo units, which take the shortest route to convey their passengers to their destination efficiently and in comfort. Number 12. Hyperloops. New form of ground transports, like Hyperloop, will be used. It could see passengers traveling at over 700 miles an hour in floating pod, which races along inside low-pressure giant tubes. It runs either above or below ground. Hence, there is no limit for the inventions for the seamless future mobility.